Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the BRIMNES Nightstand from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a hammer. You can also use a drill with a Phillips bit to speed up the assembly process. So the first step is to grab these two panels and put them into this orientation. Just make sure the unfinished edges are facing inwards. Also grab 4 of these screws from bag 1 and screw them into these 4 holes. The end product will look something like this. Now grab the left and right drawer slides and 4 of these small screws. So for this panel, place the left drawer slide that should be marked with an L like this and secure it using the 2 screws. Now for this panel, place the right drawer slide that should be marked with an R like this and secure it using the 2 screws. Then grab these 2 pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now attach both pieces like this. Then grab 2 fasteners and secure them into these 2 holes. Next, connect both sides like this. Now grab 2 more fasteners and secure them into these 2 holes. Then grab the top panel and put in this orientation. Just make sure that the location of the unfinished edge is where I ran my finger. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now attach the top panel as shown. Then grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 4 plastic scratch guards and hammer them into these 4 spots. Then flip the nightstand 180 degrees so the unfinished edges are facing up. Now grab the slightly larger backing and place it on like this. Then from the bag of nails, grab 1 nail. If you're not comfortable hammering in the nails, you can also use the nail holder. So make sure that the top left corner is flush and hammer in the nail into this spot. Now grab another nail and make sure the top right corner is flush. Then hammer the nail into this spot. Next, grab 1 more nail and make sure that the bottom left corner is flush. Then hammer in the nail into this spot. Then with the other 15 nails, hammer them equidistant from each other all around the 3 edges. Now place the nightstand onto its feet. Next, grab 4 plastic shelf pins and insert them into these 4 holes. Then grab the shelf and place it on like this. So now let's focus on the drawer. Place these 2 side pieces in this orientation and grab 4 dowels from bag 2. Then hammer the 4 dowels into these 4 holes. Then grab the front drawer piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Next, connect the side pieces like this. Then grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Now put the bottom of the drawer in like this. Then attach the back of the drawer as shown. Next, grab 4 plastic pins and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then stick the 2 rubber bumpers on like this. Next, flip the drawer over and grab the DL and DR corresponding drawer slides and 4 of these small screws. Now go to this side of the drawer and secure the DL drawer slide with 2 screws. It's going to look something like this. Then repeat the same step with the DR drawer slide on the other side. Now flip the drawer over and grab the wooden handle and 2 of these screws. Then secure the handle with the 2 screws. It's going to look something like this. Now put the drawer in like this. Then check that the drawer opens and closes relatively smoothly. But if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you now have a fully assembled BRIMNES nightstand from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.